Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'll show you step by step how to create a Facebook account. If you enjoyed this content, make sure to like, subscribe, and let's get started. So first, tap App Store or Play Store if you use Android mobile. Then in the search bar, search for Facebook. Then download it and tap open. Then tap create new account. Then get started. Write your first name and last name. Then tap next. Then select your birthday. Then tap next. Select your gender, then next. Then write your mobile number. If you don't have, you can sync with email. Then tap next. Then create your password. Then tap next. Tap save and tap I agree. Now Facebook will send a code to your email to verify the account. So come back to browser and open gmail.com, and this is the code of our account. Come back to Facebook and write it here. Then tap next. Then tap add picture. I'll choose from camera roll and select your picture. For example, I'll select this one. Then tap done. Here tap on, and here add your friends, for example, and tap done. Congratulations, our account Facebook has been created successfully. So that's it, how you can create your Facebook account. Thank you so much for watching me. If you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and see you to the next video.